Hey, I'm back. I'm sorry for that. Just prepare. Loads. Okay. So, um, what was up? The thing is that it turns out that I did not. Yeah, at the beginning of the stream, I I UV'd this, but for some reason I realized that it was gone, and that's because I reverted to an older version accidentally. So yeah, now that's gone. But that's fine. That's fine. I'm just gonna redo what I did quickly because now I know how to do it. I did this. I had a seam here. I UV'd, and then I rectified it with errors and everything. I rectified. I turn it around. I scale it down. And then I did this. Wait, where is it? There it is. I did this, but for the first, is it this? It is. And this is this. Okay. For the first lines, I actually compressed them down. And then I use that as sort of a fake shadow. A little fake shadow trick. There it is. So we have this kind of fake shadowing. Yeah, I actually did a better job now, of course, because because I did this twice. Okay, so and this thing, I'm also going to move over here, and we have this fake shadowing on the other side. It should be on the other side, so mirror vertical. There it is. Is it this? Oh, wait. What? Oh, no, it's the whole thing. Ah, it's a loop. Yeah, whatever. It's good. It's good. It looks good. It looks good. Cool. Oh, right. And it also has the inside. I forgot to add the inside. Flip. Nice. Okay, so as you can see, there it is. Oh, I totally forgot to add the thingies on the thingy. Thingy on the thingy. Okay, let's add them quickly. Let me just rotate this by. Oh fuck! I can't even rotate now because. Oh, it's actually 60 degrees. That's precise. I accidentally precisely rotated 60 degrees. Exactly 60 degrees. So what we can do, we can copy this 60, slap this on over here, global orientation And there we go. Oh, wait. I can move this a bit here. Whoop. And I can actually merge this with the house because why have it separate? And then I can just add it to other windows as dirtily as possible. Oh, and of course I forgot to copy the, how do you call these? The little window. Oh, they're actually flipped. They're actually flipped. The little hinges, that's what I wanted to say. And you know, some of them I can just close. So yeah, let's I don't know, let's put this one on the inside like this, and the other side. That looks pretty nice. Cool. I can also put a different kind of a window for not, you know, not all of them should be the same. You know, it would be nice if Blender actually like selected the correct image. Is it possible to do somehow do that? Update automatically. Updates affected window spaces. Okay. Tool settings. It would be cool to be able to like have an image that is currently selected. Let's see if there is a way to do that. Blender, show selected texture, UV editing. Show texture of active face. Active texture for individual faces can be shown, but in cycles. What the hell? Face select. What is a face select? Well, nothing comes up, so maybe it's you know, but it's kind of hard to search as well. So yeah, this was doors texture. I always need to now remember what's the name of the textures and everything, which is annoying. Okay, we can use this window. Cool. Oh, nice. This window is actually really nice. So yeah, a little bit of variety. You can also change this one maybe to be something else. Whoops. Cool. Not bad. Okay, so let's put this house on the this plot. Global. Yeah, so that when I'm driving from the other side, I can see it. I can see into this, perfectly into this door. Okay. And let's try maybe putting this wooden fence. Not that one, this one. Of course, I need to duplicate and flip. Actually, I'm gonna do that in the end. For now, should I put it like this? Maybe. Yeah, I mean, this is just for a test. For now, it's a test. I just want to see how it looks like in the game. That's the point. That's the point of this test. That's the point of today. And then tomorrow or some other day next week, I'm gonna actually put these in the game. I mean, put them as they should be done. Wow, what did I even say now? What did I do now? Oh, okay. So, erase this and yeah, let's put that here, and this is going to go to the edge of the house. We should actually bring the house up a bit. Just a bit. Okay. This is the one, this is the fence without the backside. This is with the... So let's rotate this by 0. And yeah, let me put these into a separate group. New town origin. Oh, I didn't name anything. I didn't name anything. No. Okay. Flat. Church fence flat. Oh no, this is the flat fence. This is not the correct one. Church fence flat. Yeah. You know, let's just make a little bit of this fence procedurally. No, I'm joking. Not procedurally. And I'm gonna put it here or something, somewhere. Just turn it around for now. Okay, cool. So yeah, let's turn this into a... Nice, it's a double fence. Okay, so let's make these the flat fence, town fence, church, 3D. This is church fence flat. Church fence. Church fence, just the fence. This goes here. This goes here. This goes here, and this goes here. And this is, what is this? Church. Oh yeah, this is the ornament fence. And this is a wooden fence. Okay. And everything else, is it named? Nope. There is another one. There is a wooden fence 2, I guess. I don't know. And what is this? Ah, the wooden fence placed. Wooden fence placed. Let's call it a test. It's a rule that everything you call a test will eventually be in the game. Right? Is that correct? Okay, so I'm actually going to combine... No, let's not combine yet. Or maybe I will. I should combine these. And what about the little chimney? Should I sorry, the gutter. Let's not combine it. But I want to put a few more of these houses. Okay, let's remind ourselves of what the town looked like. Oh, this is really steep. Oh, okay. I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to make that compatible with slopes as well, and also extend this wall. Like, if I do this, I need to add more wall to the bottom. Like this. Basically, yeah. Oh, and I do actually need to redo UVs of this. Select material. Okay. Box. Cube projection. Cube projection. Okay. Let's try to make a 3-floor building. So basically, I take this, I move it, I split it, I move it down. Oh, and this is a single floor building now. Nice. Okay, so I move that down. And then I take this. More like this. But without the roof. And I copy it. Put it there. I'm also going to remove this door. I'm just gonna have a flat plane there. And let's add a couple more windows. Um, Well, that's fine. For now. Okay, so I have a three-story building as well. Let's see. Let's put it somewhere. Right. Super slopey. Let's put this three-story building here. Maybe. No, let's put it next to an existing building, just so I can see how the two buildings look like side by side when their roofs are intersecting and everything. And of course, what I can do is I can take the roofs. Whoops. Select. I can take the roofs. I can change the color by just moving the UV. Like that. Okay, so let's try all this in game. The time has come. And now I have to remind myself how exporting works, because I haven't exported since last summer. So we have a few houses. We have a nice fence. And unfortunately, we don't have any plaster buildings, like normal painted buildings. Yeah, maybe I can like, I don't know, just for this time. Let's duplicate this. House paint, and I'm gonna change the wall stone into tarmac. What is, oh wow, that actually doesn't look very bad. This actually looks pretty good with the tarmac house. Imagine how hot it gets over the summer. Tree. Oh, nice. It's a tree house. Wow, this is a cave house. That must be cool during the summer. What is the stage sign? Oh, it doesn't exist. House frame. Okay, let's go with a house frame. And then maybe I'm gonna just make it so tiny that it kind of looks like, yeah, this is awful. You know what? Let's quickly make one. Let's very quickly make a plaster. I could just use the tarmac actually. Yeah, I can use the tarmac and just increase the brightness. So it kind of looks like, the stuff that we've seen in yeah, like this, or like a paint, any kind of house paint, or the stuff that we've seen on Google Maps. Like oh, this is actually stone. Like, oh, this is also stone. No, there were some other places. This one. It's places stone again. Okay, well, yeah, this one. You know what? I just remembered something. There's this hotspot texture. This classic hotspot texture. Hotspot test albedo. Oh, I do actually have this. It's kind of a concrete thing. I can try that. But level it up a bit. Like this. Okay, let's drop it here. And then I'm going to use that. House, concrete tiles, this one. Okay, yes, but let's do it with hotspots. Oh shit! Oh shit! I actually changed the texture of everything. I should have just taken this, and then I'm gonna hotspot that. Oh shit, I didn't save the hotspot. That was ugh. Okay, let's just grab this texture. fuck, shakedown textures, concrete, and I'm just gonna rescale to fit into this one. Is that enough? Super, super bland. This is awful. This looks worse than a... This looks worse than a like a texture. Yeah, I didn't like you know, this looks worse than a blank. Yeah, compared to these like stone textures, it's really off-putting. It's really off. It's terrible. Okay. Let's try exporting this. And then I'm gonna end the stream. Track. Save or not to save? To save. Okay. Well, it's gone. Okay, so I want to check what I have everything, what is stuff for exporting. So bridge toll, right? That's the applied one. Yeah, right. This is the one with... This is the one that is baked. I'm gonna delete this one because I have a new one with the texture. But why is there one more? Bridge toll, bridge toll. Oh yeah, because this is the other one. Monty Road wall, right? This is the correct wall, right? Is it? No, it's not. Is this the correct one? Oh geez, I forgot everything. I forgot it all. Yeah, I think that this is actually the wrong one. This is the one that should be hidden. Okay, so let's try just exporting this. And see what happens. Export without without baking. Okay. I'm thinking about how was it done? Because I've forgotten everything. Okay, so this wall is not rendered, right? Bridge toll. This is actually rendered. This one is not rendered. Let's call this houses old. I'm gonna turn this off. So I think it is this, if I'm not mistaken. I select everything. I select everything, but the town should be inside Monty. So when I select everything, yeah, let's save a copy of the old one just in case. GLTF, it was GLTF, yeah. GLTF, an engine. Oh fuck, I can't remember which one was it. Was it an engine 2? Monty Road. Okay, so let's save a copy of Monty Road's GLTF. Where is it? There it is. Is that the last one? Modified 21st of June. Is it possible that that was the last one? In June? I'm not sure. I think I might have actually saved it directly into the CPP folder. Drive, resources, models, Monty Road. Monty Road, August 2nd. Yeah, this is definitely the last one. Yeah, it's August 2nd is where when I was working on the game the last time. So yeah, let's actually save this as another copy because I see before January. Let's call it before 2023. Wow, it's 2023. It's crazy. I just realized. Okay, so I think it's an engine 2 export. And now the moment of truth. The moment of truth. Binary release with shared resources. Oh no. Oh no, it crashed. Great. So let's see what happened. What? This is so weird. Log. Okay, does the log say something? Created object house gutter horizontal. Okay, well, something happens here. Something happens here. And then it crashes. Oh, great. So I'm gonna have to debug now. This is what I was afraid of. That something is gonna break and I'm gonna like spend 2 weeks trying to fix it. Something is gonna break in the engine. Okay, did you load? 5 builds. Build started. Okay, so cool exception because of a something to do with the mesh. Variable optimize the way. Triangle shape. Create mesh collider. Okay. 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 So, something to do with the physics. Something to do with the physics. Okay, let's try to actually not export the town. Okay, what happened here? Oh, all right. Okay, so definitely there's some problem with the town. What does it say? What? There were some errors. Object by the name of spec reverse lights. Object by the name of sun cube not fine. Okay, those are old stuff. Sun cube. Right. It's because it's outside. So, what's the deal with the town? There's something wrong here. Wooden fence 2. Wooden fence 2 should not be here. Townhouse 2. Townhouse 2. Townhouse 1, townhouse. Fence. Stairs. Okay. Shutter. Railing. Oh, I didn't apply any scales. Hi, long time no watch. This is still your custom engine. Yes, it is. Yeah. It's my custom engine. So, it kind of sucks. My custom engine sucks because obviously there's something that goes wrong and it doesn't even tell me what it is wrong. So if I export, let's select this. Export GLTF. Okay. And now start the game. And it fails. I know that it fails when trying to build a mesh collider. But I don't know how. Internal process all triangles. Oh, great. What the hell? Where did they disappear now? I wish I knew. what the mesh said. I need to like turn on the debug. Okay, I hope it won't like rebuild the engine. Oh, it didn't. Okay, so cool. I have many people are. Maybe you have some more than 4 vertices polygons. Well, Blender should take care of that. Blender should triangulate. Many people are predicting the damage of Unity lately. Perhaps I too. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I never understood why press retry to debug the application. Like, why retry? Body model pairs. Collision configuration dispatcher. How can I see? Oh, I see. Is it this? The mesh indices size. What the hell? How is it possible? Right, it has 0 indices. That's the problem. Okay, so I see now. I see now. Can you remove this? Attempted to build mesh, but it has no vertices. So it does have vertices, but it doesn't have indices. But which mesh? What's the mesh? What's the name? Give me the name. Oh, right. I'm not actually. Oh, name. What the hell? Error reading characters of string. Why? Okay. Great. Size 0. Okay, well. Is this if size 0, then there's nothing. Source path. What the hell? Okay, yeah, this is probably some not the right part of memory. Yeah, size is 10, like 1 billion. Okay. Well, that's unfortunate. I see, there it is. What? It has 8 like million vertices. No, this is totally wrong. There's something. This is a memory error. It can't be 8 million and size and indices have 0. Because all these objects have a finite number of indices and it's not 0. What is this? Ah, good. It is. It's a valid mesh. They're all valid meshes, right? Railing, shutter, fence. Okay, so the problem is that I haven't really applied scales. Could that be a problem? Let's apply all the scales. Apply scale. Okay. Sometimes that's the problem as well. Okay, that's not the problem. So basically now I have to like remove all objects until I find the right object. Classic. So yeah, many people are predicting the downfall, the demise of Unity. Lately, perhaps I too should make my own customized illustrative. Depends what you want. I think, I don't know, I still love Unity. I mean, the just the speed that I work in, and and the editor is amazing, and and bugs like these don't happen in Unity, so or they're rare. Uh, yeah, engine is a lot about debugging, and oh, look at that! I have a window that is no. Oh, there it is. Oh, now something else is different. Is the problem? That's amazing. I love this. I love that. You see, this is like C++ is amazing. Just gives you totally random now things. Yeah, it tells you assert fail, but it has nothing to do with that. Logger. So I was trying to log something and it failed. Maybe output the name or something. Who knows? And now I'm gonna do it again, and now it's gonna throw me a different error. What was that? There was a ton of things missing. Created a game object with invalid mesh. What the hell? Okay, this is terrible. This is not a single error. This is many things wrong here. Yeah, it is this thing again. And again, I have no idea what the mesh is. Name is completely garbled. At least at least it's short. At least it doesn't have a billion characters. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, let's try again. If I remove the town, And I export now as an engine. Yeah. It's definitely this. It's definitely the town is the problem. But why does it throw so many unrelated errors? That's what I don't understand. You can make a dichotomic search, remove half the meshes first, the half. Yeah, I mean, I have to do that apparently now. Okay, let's see if house railing and beyond. Oh, well, it's almost all of them. Okay, let's remove the first half until the railing. And I need to remember to undo the deletions. Okay, it's not that. What about... So, I did the... So, it's... Okay, what if I remove the second half? Okay. It's in the first half. At least I see some... At least I see some gutters. Oh, and they're collidable. Yeah, there's also... You know, I can also make them not be collidable. Okay. Oh, but yeah, let's... I want to figure out what the problem is here. So, there is a problem in one of these, right? Okay, let's try until the fence. Until the fence. I deleted these, right? So, it's these, right? Oh, it started and it's and it crashed. Cool. The log is totally useless. Okay, wait, maybe this doesn't even work. Okay, let's read the log here. So I removed these. Wooden fence. Is it this one? The big house. Okay. Now it can't even create a vertex array object. Amazing. Amazing. OpenGL. Object by the name of SunCube not found. Oh yeah. Wow, this is just amazing. This is amazing. Okay. So it's definitely one of these, right? Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Okay, now this one breaks all the time. Ugh. Oh! Oh no, I am using the correct one. Okay, so no, it's still incorrect. Is it house stairs? Wait. This worked, right? Now I'm starting to forget what worked and what didn't. Ah, this is the worst. Okay, so this definitely works. Okay, what about this? Okay, so it's one of the three objects. You know what? Is it the fucking shutter? Or is it the railing? It's not the railing, it's the shutter. It's not even the shutter. What the fuck? What the hell? Is the shutter there? The shutters are there. Okay, this is fucked up. I'm gonna spend forever. No, the stairs are there. So what the fuck? How is this even possible? So with everything, it crashes. Okay, it's one of these. Is it the first house? No. Okay. What was that error? Why doesn't it... Okay, so... It's one of these two. Okay, now, if it's not... If it's not this one, I'm gonna shoot myself. What the fuck? Doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense at all. It's... So everything works individually, but it doesn't work together. Okay, fuck this shit. Oh my god. So if I do this, so there's some memory violations. Yeah, I see. This. What does it say at the end when it breaks? OpenGL error. Okay, I don't get it. If I remove this one, what's the minimum? What's the minimum that makes it break? Okay, so it works with these two houses. Does it work with these two houses? It works! So it only doesn't work when the three houses are present together. What the fuck? Yeah. So it works when the two houses are here. It works if these two houses are export. It works with these, but it doesn't work if the three houses are. If I combine them. So combining them works. But it doesn't work if they're together. So, I don't, is it, could it be the name? It's like, I don't know, let's rename it. No, it's not that. I don't know. Okay, this is the most unusual bug I had. So, look at this. 1282. So now I have to Google for 1282 GL. In bind vertex array. It has magically resolved itself. That's the best thing you can read. Make sure to call window set active. Oh, what? No, that can't be it. That can't be it. Yeah, this is so weird. This is so weird. I don't know where to even begin with problems like this. then that's why you should use Unity and not your custom engines. So I don't know. What's unusual about these houses? Is there something unusual? Is there something unusual? Materials. Am I out of memory? Oh, I am actually running low on memory, but I don't think that's the problem because it's too... Okay, let's remove all of these things. No, it's something else. It can't be that. Yeah, that's the problem. That's the problem. Okay, let's read the OpenGL quickly. Documentation. So, what does it say? Errors. GL invalid is generated if array is not 0. What do you mean by not 0? Or the name of a vertex array object previously returned from a call to GL gen vertex arrays. Okay, I'm gonna have to look into this because this is like I don't remember now what all the GL stuff is. Ah, yeah, this is, making your custom engine is like, you can't ever forget what you did a year ago when you were dealing with these GL functions. Because I'm kind of confused why it should not be 0. Is it like an error code of an array? It's weird. Yeah, I'm gonna deal with this some other time. But anyway, we did figure out that it has to do with these 3 houses, right? Right. Right. So, if I just not export these 3 houses, it should work, right? Well, of course it doesn't work because it's something completely different. Yeah, this has nothing to do with those houses. This problem is something totally different. Totally different. It has absolutely nothing to do with the houses. And I have absolutely no idea what it is. Is Podvarak halted? Well, temporarily. Until I release Shakedown. Which I hope will be in a little more than a week. So what the hell is going on here? So, assert failed. Assert failed when trying to build a collider. Attempting to build a mesh, but it has no vertices. Or it has no indices because the indices are 0. How is that possible? I don't know. Yeah. Do I have... I need to check. Do I actually... when I create colliders... If contains tree... If it doesn't contain tree... These inline hints are fucking awful. Press Control twice. All right. Good thing that it wrote down. So if it has a tree in the name, it won't make a collider. What if I just say tree? Yeah. Wait. Shouldn't it output this? Oh, great. Now there's now it's giving me a completely error and a completely different thing. Amazing. Okay, so you can't call an isValid on the mesh because of course it doesn't exist. Okay. Now I'm starting to suspect that it has something to do with the number of objects. Does it even work? Max objects. Okay, it does work. So okay, let's revert to this, and then I know that these three together were a problem, right? These three. Yeah. And without them, it's not a problem. Let me just confirm that. Yes, my assessment is right. Okay. So this is definitely a wrong. I'm gonna save that as track 2. So now we have to. Okay, let's add tree to it so that it doesn't get. So that the mesh doesn't get created. Okay. The game works, but it's white. So this had to do something. Okay, well, we have some progress. This does have to do something with the meshes. Okay, let's see. So yeah, the problem was with the collider. So the scale is fucked up. Let's apply the scale. Okay, applying the scale actually crashes. What the fuck? Does it? So now it works fine. Now it works fine. Yeah, this is so weird. This is so fucked up. So the thing is, single. How do you do that? Unlink UV map, face maps. What if I... Okay, what if I merge all vertices? I make all faces smooth so that there are no copies. Okay, still breaks. Still breaks even with that. Are there, I don't know, like meshes, something? So triangles 400, triangles 400, triangles 201. Modifiers. I mean, the exporter is set up to apply modifiers. Where is it? Apply modifiers. It shouldn't export normals. It should vertex material export images automatic. PBR. Okay. Let's export as JPEG. I don't know. It could be anything. Definitely not that. PBR stasis. I mean, there are no modifiers on the houses anyway. Are there? They are missing the attributes, but that shouldn't be the problem. Face corner byte. Okay, let's just try. But I think that's... No, that's not the problem. I don't know. It just refuses to render them. Mesh. No loose things. So, okay. Let me make sure one more time. And then... Yeah, okay. So this works, right? This So it works with these two houses. It works with these two houses. There they are. And it if you do this, it works with these two houses. So it just doesn't work if you have all three at the same time. As you can see. Well, at least it does something here. Maybe a total vertex count objects. That's what I thought. Okay, let's actually check the number of objects. But I don't think that's the problem because it had okay, so total object 65. But it can have up to 1024. It is kind of close to 64. Okay, but I don't. No. I definitely exported more than that last time, so that's not. Okay, but so there is. So these are the 65 objects. But how many meshes are there? That's the thing. Maybe there is. House roof. Okay, it does render. House roof. House doors. There it is. House frame. It's in there. So the textures are fine. Merging objects. I already tried merging. It works. If you merge, it works. It just doesn't. They just don't work separate. But yeah, you know, it would be very nice to know what's up for the future, right? Because if this is a problem, then who knows what's gonna happen in the future? What problem awaits me? Because this is not the first time it happened. It did happen before. The weird stuff happened before, right? But I just dismissed them because I re-exported and I was like, okay, well, that just, you know. But now I kind of caught it, and now I'm completely weirded out about what the hell is going on. Okay, so what if I add 2 more of these? Ah, it broke. What if I add like one of these? Yeah, no, it's not the number of objects obviously. It's something completely different. It's something to do with these meshes. Obviously. So yeah. So here you go. If you merge these, there it is. It works fine. There it is. This fog is annoying. It exists, as you can see. So that's not the issue. I don't know. The error is somewhere. It is somewhere, but I don't know where. You know. Okay, so one more thing that remains. Okay, I'm just making sure that it doesn't work. Okay, it doesn't work. What I can do? Okay, let's take a look at this beauty. At this beauty here. Oh. So, 26 nodes. Let's look for house. There it is. Okay, so townhouse, townhouse 1, townhouse 2. Nothing unusual here. Mesh 23, mesh 24. Okay, so mesh 24 materials. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna find out anything here. What's the name of these primitives? Cube 043, cube 039, and cube 003. Cube 003. Cube 003. Okay, position, texture, coordinates, indices. As you can see, there's 208 indices. Attributes. Right. So yeah, this mesh has 4 submeshes. So these are the submeshes. And they all have non-zero indices. And then we have, what is it? Cube 043. 043. Indices, non-zero. But I think that my engine actually should catch that already. Cube 039. It's probably here. There it is, 039. Indices, they're non-zero. And they're not crazy huge or something. So they exist, you know. Unless there's something inside the actual buffer. So yeah, the way that GLTF works, it has all this JSON file. It's just the header, right? It's just telling you which object is which, and which object has which submeshes, which materials are attached to which submesh. Position rotation of objects. So it's kind of like scene file in Unity, right? But the actual data, the actual mesh, is all packed inside this one string at the bottom, right? It says buffers, and then it's like 659, 65 million. No, it's 6 million. That's the length of this buffer. Octet stream base 64. So yeah. And then all the textures, all the meshes are in here. And basically they're just like, it unpacks them into binary, and then it splits them by these numbers, right? By these offsets. So that's how it works. That's how GLTF works. Maybe check for duplicated names in the file. I mean, there are no duplicated names. They're not duplicates. $65,000 byte length. This is not 65,000. This is this is 65 million, right? No, 6 million. I don't think that's the problem. Because I mean merged, it's I don't know. I don't think, no, I am actually using, I am using, it's not 65K is not 32-bit, it's 16-bit limit. So I'm definitely using 32-bit indices and integers and floats. So that's not a problem. No, I'm pretty sure that there is some case that I'm just not catching. There's something where I don't know, but I don't know what it is. It's something in there. But yeah, let's do this. Let's merge and then end the stream, because I'm so this made me, this problem is like a dementor. It just sucked out all the will from me, because now I'm like, fuck, I have to fix this problem now, and I don't have time. Yeah, this is definitely something to do with memory access. I mean, I am like allocating something incorrectly or something. I have a feeling like that's the problem. Because it's giving me these different like one time it was a physics problem, one time it was a GL problem. It's gotta be something to do with bad memory access. But it's probably my own problem, right? Am I not allocating bytes correctly or something? Yeah, I don't know. Merge base names. What the fuck? No. How do you even merge? I forgot how merging works. I really forgot. Oh yeah, J. Control J. Okay, let's see if this is gonna work. Okay, it doesn't work again. So it's not just that, of course. Yeah. Okay, so about the number of objects. There's this thing. And by default it's 1024. It can't be this. And I think that I am actually using this. Right? Somewhere. Yeah, there it is. Cannot create more objects. This is definitely that. But could it be something with meshes? Meshes capacity. I'm not even using it. It's impossible. Wait. Meshes capacity. Okay. So that value over there is completely useless. I am actually initializing here. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh god. Facepalm. So, seems like I am using a 64-bit limit for meshes. Why? Yeah, this is probably one of the things that I made like a year ago and I completely forgot about. Okay, so this is definitely the problem. It's fucking shit. But the issue is, why the hell is it not informing? This is the main problem. This is the main problem. Mesh's capacity. So yeah, the reason why I have this, so yeah, I looked at the number 65 and I said, it's not the problem. But the thing is that I do have one object which does not have a mesh. So that's why it's true that it's actually 64 meshes and it's trying to allocate 65th. Amazing. Amazing. So yeah, when you create a mesh, okay. 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 Okay, so why don't you fucking check? Yeah, the problem is that I do have capacity, right? No, mesh's size. Yeah. So you know why the whole world was white? Yeah, because the vector moved, it reallocated to a different place, and so all the meshes were invalid now. Yep. That's the thing. Okay, let's try to build this. And let's see if the assert fails. Right. These are functions. There it is. This is all I had to add. This is all I had to add to not waste hours. Yeah. And you know what? It would be smart to actually add this to all the create shit. Yeah, it should actually be here. Create. No, wait. Okay. But yeah, it should also be here. Shaders. Create materials. And audio clips. Okay, well, I hope this is going to be enough. And here as well. Get mesh, create mesh, load mesh. Yeah, let's also do this. Okay, so I fixed that, but I also want to increase the mesh size. Yeah, which is kind of ridiculous here. The fact that I have this as an init, which is kind of hard-coded in the engine. Yeah, maybe I can actually avoid this and use a member. No, let's do it like this. But I might, yeah. For now, I don't want to change this. I am going to change it one day. Actually, I find it cleaner nowadays to just have a struct. It's funny how a modeling stream turned into hardcore debugging, yeah. So yeah, I prefer, yeah. Back when I was learning C++, what I did is I always did this. Like, you know, you have a function, and then you have 1,000 attributes. And then some of them are like, oh, these are optional attributes. But actually nowadays, I prefer making a struct for attributes, and then you set all the options in a struct, and then you pass it into a function. Which is probably a better way, because then you can also get a copy of whatever you have set. So I've done the same thing in the application. So you're setting where you're setting there, screen properties, where you're setting the window properties, and then yeah, that's where I store everything in a struct. You know, what's the title, what's the width, height, what's the mode, vsync, and then when I construct a window, I pass screen props. And if I want to change, I pass it into a screen as a struct, instead of adding all the things like vsync here as a method, right? So I just feel like it's a far more elegant solution. And the cool thing is that once you set these screen properties, I save them as a member. And so I also use defaults. So if you have these screen properties as a member, it will always default to these which are set up. And one thing, and the other thing is that once you pass these, I set them into the current. And you can get a copy of current properties if you want to change them and reassign them. So it's a much more elegant solution in my opinion. And the thing is that here you know that you're getting a copy. You don't need to make all the getters and setters. So yeah, that's what I would change this to. And since I'm talking about it, maybe I should do it. So yeah, maybe I can do like this asset props or something like that. A struct, and then move all these capacities into a separate struct. Of course, these are not consts. And what I can do is I can set the defaults here. "16 shaders, that's enough. Why would you need more?" And then, oh, I even have 16 audio clips. I didn't even know that. That's a bit too small of a number. Yeah, so if you have these asset props, now what I can do is, instead of this, I can say, give me asset props. Right? Is that how I did it here as well? Yeah, of course. I passed a const const props. So now it says, oh, it's completely different signature, and now it will say it can't find. So yeah, I'm just gonna go to the nearest other method and then change this to use asset props. Okay. So yeah, now I can use props dot this inline hints again, meshes capacity, and I can say, yeah, and so for everything else I can say this. Material. Oh, this is annoying. Okay, and audio clips. And now at the end, or at the beginning, it doesn't really matter. What I can do is I can put these into asset props. I can say current, just like I did over there, and make the current be the props. So I copy these into the current. Okay, which I might use later. Yeah, and one of the cool things about using this struct method is that you can very easily add new ones, like this. You know, you can just add new ones without having to change method signatures, right? I don't need to change it here, and then I have to change it here, and then it's, yeah, it's really annoying. So yeah, it's a nice trick for C++. So now probably something has broken. Something has broken, and I know that the engine was using, what is this? What happened here? Oh, I was just showing off. I know that the engine was using init. And what I can do now is, if I just want to have defaults, if I want to pass defaults, I can just do this. I might use this, right? It's a default. So now I don't. So it's kind of like it's a super nice way to do optional parameters without doing optional parameters, and it's also like C compatible, you know, because C also has structs and you could pass them like this. So yeah, that should work now. But what I want to do is I want to actually, for now, raise the number of default meshes. Oh, wait, there's also, wasn't there physics objects? Where's that physics? No, physics. Physics in it, physics in it, physics in it. Physics, there it is. Physics in it 64. Yeah, this also capacity is terrible. Oh, and the default is 32. Wow. Yeah. Well, that's terrible. Okay, so yeah, you know, the thing is that I could actually turn this init of physics also into like a property, struct properties, right? But yeah, for now, okay, let's build it and let's see if it even compiles. So yeah, thanks for telling me, Pirxos. You said you said you were the one who said maybe a total object count, and I was like, nah, it's not that. But no, I mean it isn't. It isn't the object count. It's the mesh. It's the number of assets, right? That's the problem. Uh, because I have like a fixed. I have basically a fixed array. Yeah, 65 was suspicious, but I thought maybe it's an accident. But the funny thing is that the accident is yeah. I'm like hoping that it doesn't break now. Come on, don't break, don't break. Yeah, it just takes time because it's a debug build, by the way. So making colliders and everything takes forever. Oh my god, it works. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Oh no. Okay, now let's revert to, yeah, the original. And export everything. Oh yeah, I actually should not touch this. Let's see. Oh! It crashed. What happened now? Created a game object with invalid mesh. Yeah, the scale is not applied. Let's try that. Yeah, the problem is that Bullet has a lot of problems with the scale. But I don't think this is a problem now. I think something else is a problem. Yep. Okay, well, there are these errors. Oh, wait, there are no errors now. Okay, wait, let me try with the debug. Oh, well, I'm an idiot. I didn't I didn't compile a release version. Yes, I'm an idiot. Okay. Need to remember to apply. Yeah, I don't know if I should have actually. I'm not. Yeah. Okay. I won't apply for now scales of everything. Okay, and after I open this, I'm gonna start. I'm gonna start. I'm gonna end the stream. It's been too long, like 6 hours of constant talking to myself. I tried to figure out what's up. But good, we made some progress. We found an error. And the funny thing is I had this problem before. I definitely had this problem before. And yeah, and I thought it was something completely different. and then I re-exported stuff and it worked. But it's funny how the object count was actually so close to 64 all this time. It only took like a few houses to add like a few houses, and then it worked. So I think, oh, it does work. Okay, cool. I was about to say that it's supposed not to work, but it did actually work. So let's see the houses for the first time ever. There they are, and they're very dark. Okay, well, great. Okay, let's actually change. Let's actually. I'm sorry for that. Wait, where is my? Oh, I didn't even start VS Code. It does work, yes. Oh, and look, even the fence is here, but it's black. Cool. And this is the flat fence. This is the flat fence here. Okay, let's actually, here we go. Let's change the an engine drive, right? Shader. Where is the shader? Car shader, fail shader. What's the name? Oh, standard shader. Standard shader. Okay, so shade is gonna be 1. Save. There it is. I have, on one of the last streams, I did actually make the shader updating, like when you refocus. Cool, you can finally see. Yeah, the textures are actually way too way too noisy first, and the second, they are kind of too high resolution. This house actually looks nice. Okay, let's try without without the effects, without the frame buffer. Yeah, without the frame buffer, it does actually look decent. Without the image effects. What's this? Wait, what? Did I... did the... Oh. I think... brake lights are embedded inside the world. For some reason. But I do actually have brake lights, as you can see there. Yeah, it does look good when it's not shaded. But yeah, the thing is that the sun is so low that it blocks, the mountains block the sun, and that's why everything is in the shadow. Maybe I should like lower the mountain a bit so that it lights up the village, you know. It does look nice. So how does it look for the car when I'm driving? from here. Yeah, oh, this is super cool because like you can see the bridge over there in the middle. Like, you know, there. And then when you drive over here, oh, well, you don't see it from the pillar. Well, you don't see it from the, I mean, from the interior, but from... Oh! What the hell? Okay. Another bug. This time it's physics. Is it the house? I think I touched the house and then it broke. Convex hull shape. Okay, I'm gonna save this for later. But yeah, it's something about... Oh shit, if this is a bullet problem. Yeah. Stepping simulation. Okay. Well, great. There are bugs. Perhaps you've made the same mistake as me and deleted the triangle mesh sources for bullet after giving them to the collider shape. Also hi. I don't know. Let's try. Yeah, I don't think I'm deleting the triangles. I still have them. I don't actually remove meshes. I don't actually remove meshes as you should. Yeah, they're all in memory. They're still in memory because I thought that yeah, Bullet is gonna need them, so I do keep them actually. But yeah, what did I do? I think I touched. Oh, there it is. It's the door. It's either the door or the frame around the door. Nice debugging. This is slowly becoming a nightmare. Also, what the fuck is with the shading of the... Oh, I think it's just actually the frame buffer. It looks weird. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's too similar of a color. You can exit the game with doors. Yeah, you can. There we go. Book. Yeah, this is perfect. It's a button to exit. Okay. It's yeah. Perfect. Thanks for that suggestion. Yeah, you can totally exit the game if you touch the door, but I think actually it's not. I don't know. Is it the door or is it the frame? Maybe it's a window. You can also exit to Windows. Drum roll. Yay. So this one is okay. Yeah, so let's try the Windows. Oh, wait, this one doesn't work. Okay. Interesting. It's only the doors. Fascinating. Okay. So Windows doesn't work. Hello, Anton makes games. Amazing. So yeah, I have no idea what I'm doing, but it's definitely something to do with this material. Oh yeah, by the way, I do have this hit mesh. Mesh your thing. Interesting. Okay, so the mesh does exist. So yeah, by the way, here I have like hit information where I point with the mouse. Oh wait, was it the mouse pointing or is it? Oh no, it's not mouse. It's the camera. Okay, so let's try. Let's see this. I think we're gonna break the game now. So you see, there is this. Can you see this little red line? So this is actually like raycasting. So if we raycast into the door, is it gonna crash? It didn't. It raycast into the frame. It didn't. So I think that raycasting is fine. Where it breaks, I think where it breaks is actually only the collision between the two objects. So yeah, this is the door that definitely, that's the exit. Oh shit. Okay, let's try. Let's try again. So yeah, I don't know. It's definitely it's somewhere here. It's either yeah. Well, the thing is that I can't access the door other than. Oh yeah, how does bullet, by the way, behave with double-sided polygons? Wait. So, okay, it behaves nicely. What if you hit the other side? Okay. It does actually collide precisely. Yeah. Whoops. Okay. It's definitely not the window. This is super weird. Ta-da! I have no idea. I have no idea what's up. Yeah, so let's do a debug build. And then I'm definitely gonna leave. I'm really hungry and tired. None mass. All static objects have 0 mass. Unless, is it possible that I'm actually, when I'm initializing physics, that I'm not initializing something again? So I have the capacity. Yeah, that's the only time I'm actually using it. Oh, I have to drive all the way over there. Oh no. Oh. Debug build is slow, so that's fine. Don't worry. And also, I think it's actually working on my integrated GPU and not because of these freezes every like 10 seconds. It's because of the integrated GPU. It doesn't like OpenGL very much. Damn. Can't turn around. Ah, don't! Ugh. Freezes in the worst possible moment. Okay, so let's see what it says. 3, 2, 1. Ah, fuzzy 0, whatever that meant. Okay. It's not fuzzy 0. I don't know what this means. Brief normalize this vector. Okay. Okay, it's just normalization. So what the hell is a fuzzy 0? Okay, it's like super small, that's the problem. Ah, yeah. So fuzzy 0, it means like a 0 but with a bit of margin. So yeah, but it's part of normalizing a 0. Well, I am not. It's the physics is, so it's not my problem. You know. What is it doing? What the hell? Just take me there. Too deep. So it can take me to this line, but it can't take me to this line. It's like, oh, give me the file. Yeah, you see, it's like, it is something to do with convex rigid body colliding with the static body thing. Quantize PVH triangle mesh convex collision dispatcher. Yeah, collisions. Yeah. So I would check for degenerate triangles. Okay. I am going to check for degenerate triangles. It's totally possible. It's totally possible that there are triangles that. So if I go to the mesh cleanup, delete loose, there's 0, 0, 0. But if I, okay, it also didn't. It also didn't remove anything, so it's already merged. I don't know. Degenerate dissolve. No. I don't know. Anyway, I thought it was at least it was like unmerged vertices or something. But yeah, there's something weird here. There's something weird in this region, I guess. At the door region. It's a other dimension. This actually looks pretty cool. Wow. Look at this. Whoa. This is cool. I remember back in Thief, in the mission where you go to steal the sword from Constantine, there is this puzzle thing where you like, there's a door like this, and you have a feeling like you're running towards through a corridor, but actually it's just like a tiny door at the end. It's like forced perspective. Anyway, yeah, this is where I'm gonna end. I made some houses and then spent 3 hours debugging something that I have completely forgotten before when I started making the engine. But we have a nice vista here, which I hope it's gonna be visible in the game. So yeah, thanks for joining. Thanks for helping me out figure out things. For giving me suggestions where to look, although I was like, yeah, I'm sure it's not that. Well, it wasn't objects, as Pyrxos suggested. It wasn't the number of objects, but it was a number of assets. So yeah, that was a problem. But yeah, it's nice. It's nice. I took a screenshot of the black fence. This kind of looks very horror-y. Nice. Okay, so thanks for joining. Excited to see progress. Yeah, I hope. Well, I did say that I want to publish it on like 18th of January, but there's so many. Yeah, there's so many things I need to finish. So I don't think it's possible even if I work 18 hours a day. So yeah. Okay, but yeah, being able to exit through the doors is, I don't know if it's a bug or a feature. So maybe it should become a feature. Okay. Thanks for being. I think I'm definitely gonna stream tomorrow. Probably also around 3 or 4. 3 or 4 or something like that. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out. See you.